Hi kids! How are you all? Let's play a quiz on car models. Let's start. Name this logo. Yes, it's Toyota. Can you name this logo? Correct, it's Honda. What is the name of this brand? Superb, it's Suzuki. Do you know the name of this logo? You are right, it's Renault. What is the name of this model? Good job, it's Kia. Name this logo. You are right, it's Mazda. What is the name of this logo? Yeah, it's Mitsubishi. Do you know the name of this logo? Correct, it's Volkswagen. Name this logo. Yeah, it's Chevrolet. Tell me the name of this logo. Superb, it's Changan. What is the name of this logo? Yeah, it's Lexus. Can you name this logo? Correct, it's Hyundai. What is the name of this brand? Yes, it's Geely. Name this logo. Yeah, it's Hongkor. What is the name of this logo? You are right, it's Škoda. Can you name this logo? Correct, it's Isuzu. What is the name of this brand? Good job, it's Ferrari. Name this logo. Yeah, it's Audi. Do you know this logo? Superb! It's Tata. Kids, you played very well. Thank you for watching. See you again.